Hi, I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Graco Premier SnugRide SnugFit 35XT featuring load leg technology rear facing with the vehicle seatbelt. Load leg technology reduces rotation and adds stability in the event of an impact. First, store the lower anchor connectors at the storage location at the side of the base. You should hear a click when it's properly stored. You'll do this on both sides. Make sure to remove the slack from the lower anchor strap. Unfold the load leg by squeezing the blue lever in the middle of the base. You can also use the blue lever at the front of the base to unfold the load leg. Now slide the car seat base against the vehicle seat back, making sure at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Your vehicle should be on flat ground. Check the level indicator. It should be in the proper zone for your child's age. To adjust the recline, use the actuator at the front of the base. Open the Snuglock lock-off by pressing the gray lever. Route the vehicle seat belt through the rear-facing belt path and buckle. Make sure the vehicle seat belt is flat and not twisted. Remove the slack from the vehicle seat belt by pulling on the shoulder belt and pushing it into the retractor. Close the Snuglock lock-off. Test for tightness at the rear-facing belt path by moving the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. Extend the load leg by pressing the 2 upper extension buttons and pulling the leg down. If it doesn't reach the vehicle floor, use the lower extension button. The red indicator strip should no longer be visible when it's properly installed. Recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still in the correct range for your child's age. Place the car seat into the base. You should hear a click. Next, pull up on the handle to make sure it's properly secured. Recheck the level indicator to make sure it's in proper range for your child's age. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders for rear-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness by pulling on the strap at the front of the car seat. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.